When you decide to transform your outdoor space, you deserve a team that listens, understands, and delivers start to finish. At every step, our focus is on bringing your vision to life and making the process seamless for you.
It takes the whole team to do this. One of the real tricks in doing our first visit consultation is listening to what the client is saying, but more importantly, hearing what the client isn't saying and really understanding what are they trying to get out of it, and we help them get there within their budget.
After the initial consultation, our experienced designers can get to work. They create a custom plan that includes everything from layout and material choices to key features like patios, walkways, and water elements, bringing your vision to life in a way that's practical and beautiful. Next, we invite you to our design center, where we walk you through the full plan and every material detail. You'll know exactly what's going into your yard, no surprises.
Once approved, we schedule your project and prepare to bring your vision to life, keeping you informed every step of the way. Our expert construction team works diligently to keep the process as organized and straightforward as possible.
From first meeting to final stone laid, everything we do is designed to make your experience smooth, personal, and rewarding. It's your dream space. At McCabe's, we're here to help you create it.